How does the public domain affect digital rights enforcement? Have you ever wondered how the public domain influences the enforcement of digital rights? It is a fascinating topic that touches on intellectual property and digital content rights. The public domain consists of creative works and information that are not protected by intellectual property rights. This means they are available for anyone to use freely. In the realm of digital rights enforcement, the public domain acts as both a boundary and a resource. First, because works in the public domain cannot be subject to copyright claims, enforcement mechanisms must respect this status. This allows for free access, copying, and distribution of these works without any legal penalties. The public domain also encourages innovation. It provides a pool of digital content that can be freely used, modified, and built upon. This is especially important in technology and artificial intelligence law, where access to data fuels development and research. However, challenges arise when it comes to digital rights enforcement. Digital rights management technologies are designed to prevent unauthorized copying. Unfortunately, they can sometimes overreach, restricting access to works that are actually in the public domain. This creates conflicts, as users may find themselves unable to use public domain materials due to these technological restrictions. Additionally, laws like the anti-circumvention provisions under the Digital Millennium Copyright Act can inhibit the ability to bypass digital rights management. This can chill scientific research and education, as users risk legal liability when trying to access or analyze digital content that should be available to them. The public domain also serves as a check against the indefinite extension of copyright terms. When copyright terms are prolonged, it delays the entry of works into the public domain. This restricts the availability of digital content for free use and complicates enforcement by blurring the line between protected and unprotected works. In practical terms, digital rights enforcement must balance protecting legitimate copyright interests with preserving the freedoms associated with the public domain. This means ensuring that digital rights management and other enforcement tools do not unlawfully restrict public domain content or fair use rights. From the perspective of artificial intelligence and technology law, the public domain is essential for training artificial intelligence models and developing new technologies without infringing on intellectual property rights. Enforcement mechanisms must accommodate the unique needs of artificial intelligence development, including access to vast datasets that include public domain materials. In summary, the public domain affects digital rights enforcement by defining the limits of copyright protection and enabling free access to digital content. It also presents challenges when enforcement tools overreach. Effective digital rights enforcement must respect the public domain to maintain legal balance and support innovation.